Hello. Morning po. Nice to meet you. Hi. Morning po. Good morning po. Hi, sir. Hello po. Nice to meet you. Good morning.
Okay, magandang umaga po. So, thank you for the PGA for inviting us to be part of this gender sensitivities training. So, ang isa pong objective namin is para sa lahat po ng public sector employees na mas maintindihan po nila, understanding the basic concept po ng gender, especially yung roles po ng mga gender, as well as yung gender socialization and manifestation and gender bias po nitong training na ito. Ito po ay nag-synthesize din po ito ng iba't ibang goal ng gender equality and yung tinatawag natin is HODGIC. So, the end of this training, mas in-expect po namin ang mga public servant na mas maging aware sila on gender equality. Kasi isa lang naman po yung ini-aim natin pag naintindihan natin yung function natin as public servant and mas maging aware tayo on maiwasan yung gender issues, mas magiging productive tayo sa ating mga office mate as well as sa ating mga external na mga client. Pinaka-important itong training na ito as para sa atin maiwasan natin ang discrimination among different tests as well as maintindihan na hindi po nadidelimit lang ang isang role sa particular gender lang. So, lahat po gusto natin ba na equality and equity po. Thank you!